So, like, one psychological need that our society, or the human species at this point in time, is, I guess, kind of forgotten about. And as much as we got all these technology advances trying to find that one answer for, to solve all the world's problems and all this kind of stuff, which it's great in theory. But one thing we forget as a species, and one thing we do need, as we've seen, I guess through the lockdowns, which got taken all away from us, is meaning. Meaning, and how important it is to have meaning, and it's one of our psychological hardwirings in, as a species of human, and that's how we thrive. And we've come to this conclusion that, even if we do have meaning in our lives, that we don't celebrate it with other people. And what makes meaning more fulfilling, so the wind's starting to pick up now, is that, is through having, sorry, what I was going to say there, through having meaning. The best way to have true meaning is through celebrating with others and having others around you, right? And with meaning disappearing out of the infinite meaning, which this got taken out of as religious ideas started to die off, and then the technology advances started to debunk it all. Then we started losing. That's when we really started losing meaning as a society. So it's like, I think the essence of how to find meaning again is somewhat in religious ideology, or how it started, kind of thing, instead of new technology advances. Because a lot of the time is with new technology advances, the one thing we're forgetting in it is humans need meaning and purpose and connection in life. So, and I just wanted to make this video to explain it. It's like, hang on a minute, can we slow down this evolution of technology and really get to the root cause of our psychological needs, how we biologically adapted to this world, and that. And I think all these things are great, but we just need to slow down and just remember our psychological needs are just as important as everything else in the world, all the most important thing. And if we get these right, suicide rates would probably drop dramatically, especially when you get meaning back and connection and a bunch of other things. So, and that's from my perspective of everything I've learned so far in my 5-year journey of studying all this kind of stuff. And as much as I love technology, it isn't the answer for everything. And sometimes we need to bring it back to the basic roots and the foundation to be able to take a step forward. So we need to find meaning back in our lives and do something about that.